So today's the day, y'all. We starting episode 1 of Rolling Through the U.S., right? A series where basically I'm getting car cinematics in every state, all 50 of them. Today we're going to start with the Bronx. Although New York will be the exception because we're doing 5 videos for New York, 1 for each borough, starting with the Bronx today. So stay tuned. Let me bring y'all on that journey. So right now we're about to pick up Kaz, aka Shark Eyes. He's the content creator we're collabing with. I've worked with him in the past. Dope dude. He's always heavily involved in the racing scene. So about to go pick him up right now. There goes the car. Wow, that is crazy. Ain't no way. That's him right there. That's funny as shit. Yo, there's no way we ran into this dude, bro. So funny enough, that's the car we're gonna film right now. That's funny as shit. He probably noticed me too. So once we get Kaz, we're gonna head over to Yankee Stadium and then shoot this car. So as far as how the RS3 won, simply put, I get the candidates, then I coordinate with the content creator I'm gonna collab with. That's a lot of C's. And we narrow it down to top 4. Why 4? Because IG's voting system only allows 4 options, right? And it just makes my life easier when you guys can just vote and I can see the statistics on who the preferable car is, right? Once I set up the deadline, after a couple of days, I reach out to them, coordinate the shoot, hence today. You know what I'm saying? Finally, we got some decent weather that we can lock in because it's been snowing and raining and we've kept having to push back the shoot. We're behind schedule a lot right now, but I have faith that everything will work out and it allowed me to plan a little bit more. So stay tuned for the shoot, y'all. All right, so right now we are in the Bronx, Boogie Down, my hometown. Behind us, we got Yankee Stadium. So we just got over here. We're waiting for the RS3 to arrive right now. So we're just location scouting, picking a spot for the interviews and whatnot. We got Kaz behind me. I don't know why he hiding like he got ops, but that's the content creator I'm collabing with. Dope guy. He's always active in the car community, racing scenes and stuff like that. So we're gonna collab our creative minds today and cook up for y'all. So right now, I don't know where we're gonna position the car. I'm crazy enough to put the car right here, shit. For an interview, for one of the questions, I think him standing right here and getting a tight shot will be tough. And then we're obviously gonna get closer to the stadium, get B-roll back there and whatever the case is. But right now we're just grabbing quick shots to add to the vlog, to add to the cinematic car film, you know what I'm saying? So this is the process I'm taking y'all on. All right, so now I'm just gonna wrap around up there and see what's up there. Let's get it. So funny enough, we're about to go location scouting, but the car just arrived. I actually may throw it up on that sidewalk. It's better to ask for forgiveness than there is permission, you know what I'm saying? And I'm a risk taker, so it is what it is. We're gonna set up the camera, get the first interview shots, and go from there. It looks good though, man. The wheels could use a little wipe down. I'm gonna get a shot of you. You have a microfiber at least? So I get a shot of you wiping them down and stuff. I low-key want to put you over there. Quick shot. Yeah, I'm gonna set up. We're gonna get a quick shot over there and then boogie you off. You with it? All right, say less.
Yo, we in the Bronx. You know what it is. We here. We out here with Artistic Future.
You heard?
You heard.
Drop this down. We gotta get some lotion, my boy. Mine looks like it has a hint of blue while yours looks more, it could just be the angle. Or yours just, as you said, cleaner. With the puffer coat on, you look like a New York person, New York nigga right now, bro. Guys, we're gonna soften up some of the light hitting him. Where's the light at? Inconsistent lighting. It gotta stay one or the other. That's why I don't like cloudy days. I like overcast days. Sun is too harsh on skin. Like directly like that, having him directly being hit by the sun, that's why I was gonna diffuse it, but now that we don't have it, all right, this should be good. Yeah, you see that? That fills his face in a little bit. Right there. Can you hold that right here real quick? Because it gotta actually bounce the sun. So, in the right position where you want? Yeah, right here is fine. Bro, can you zip down the coat, look comfortable a little bit? Keep talking so I can hear levels. Right. Lick your lips for me, pause. Lick your lips, lick the whole thing. It looked like you ate a Krispy Kreme donut, bro.
How would you describe the weather in the most New York way? Brick out here.
I like that. We'll answer those questions in another location. I'm fine with those 2 answers. All right, so right now we're about to get the RS3 up here, riskily. We're gonna get the shots real quick, be in and out. We got Kaz, or Shark. We got Shark moving him up on the curb right now, as you can see. So you're gonna come back here in reverse. Come back forward.
What is the opposite of fast forward?
Back forward.
All locked all the way? All the way? Stop. Lock this way. Come forward. Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. Keep coming, keep coming. You good, you good, you clear. Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. All right, stop. Go back straight. Turn wheel slightly to the right. Right there, perfect. All right, we shooting in 60 frames per second here. I'm gonna have you hop out real quick. I'm gonna get that last question on this side again in the sun. See which one I like better. You're walking down this path. You could look back and talk real quick, like answering, but you're walking forward. Like as if I'm your friend. You're gonna answer like I'm your friend.
What's it like growing up in this borough?
There's this, but there was something else, unless it was the bus lane. Oh, the only thing you have is this right here. That's what I saw on Google Maps, this little center divider. Nah, we parking right here. Yo, the nigga who I shot with the Porsche, that was a cop, bro, and a high rank. No. You say it happens. It's not a matter of just shooting with them. Me and this nigga was cutting up in traffic, bro.
Yeah, because he could do that.
That's so hypocritical, bro. I was mad timid, and he's like, yo, bro, just go. Wherever you go, I'm gonna go with you. I'm like, nigga, what? He's like, yo, if we got pulled over, don't worry. I just show him my badge and we good. It's supposed to block like that. So, where's the sun? So we're gonna angle, so I don't want shadows like this, kind of like this, right here.
What's 3 things you like about being here?
3 things I like about being here is food, the women, atmosphere.
Anything on Burke Ave, anything on White Plains Road, uptown though, from Gun Hill all the way to 233rd, I don't think you could find a bad food spot. A Lash on Burke, the chicken and waffle spot. What else you got on Burke? Feroza, the roti spot, best roti spot around here, bro. Yeah, hands down. Yo, I gotta pee so bad. Nah, I gotta go. I got to go. Bro, that bathroom was probably the worst smelling bathroom I ever smelled. It smelled like a homeless person drank spoiled milk and took a shit in there. Bro, terrible, bro. I couldn't even hold my breath, bro. Don't get too close. They can't see the sauce. I can't show them the sauce. Cause then next thing somebody gonna steal my sauce and then I'm not gonna get credit and then everybody's gonna worship that person like, oh, he gave us the sauce, when reality is he got the sauce from me.
Yo knows I've got the sauce, no ketchup.
My sauce. Rev again. Rev. What did you ask?
Did you put one in the back and in the front?
That's crazy.
That is?
That's freaky.
How do you? You like that? Weirdo.
Anyway, there's a mic on the intake and then a mic on the exhaust.
Yeah, there you go.
Freaky nigga.
Bad to one thing.
And don't ask me how old I am, nigga. The niggas who still running the pause game, Cameron and them, that niggas like 50 years old.
You gonna listen to Cameron?
I do.
That's crazy.
You did too when you was younger. Don't act brand new.
Judas a Judah, and Buddha a Buddha, Rhoda a Tuda. Yeah, okay. Whatever you say.
That was hard. Best punchlines you heard in that time.
Yeah, sure. My oodles is noodles. Like, bro, who the fuck raps like that, man? Shooter the shooter was a ooder the ooder.
Now you could say niggas scooted the Uda, cause niggas
Scooter
really just,
the ooder,
niggas really do be scooter in the Uda.
You right. That's fire.
He was ahead of his time, you ain't even know
Stop
it.
it, stop it.
I rock mostly dosey, I roll mostly dolly. I leave you holy, you'll say holy moly.
Nigga rap like ABCs.
The red just means focus. Please pay attention to focus.
It looks focused.
Yeah, but sometimes looks can be deceiving, but when you see red like that dominant in the area, that's the focus area.
Do you see how I go away from it and it's not red?
Yeah.
And then as soon as
When
you
it's the more solid red
That's
you
what I'm
get,
saying.
the
That's
more
what I'm
focus
saying.
it
Yeah,
is.
that's what I'm saying,
So lighting settings, if we're too bright or dark, I'll tell you to change the f-stop.
F-stop, yeah.
You just click that and then you can slide. Or ISO is fine, we won't change ISO. Or we can add an ND. Add or take away. So the lower the number, the more light it lets in, the higher the number. Annoying. Oh, shit. We are not in park. Just remember the camera's behind me, so if you ever pass me, I don't see your car anymore. Oh, you could touch the car it's on autofocus. I think you could touch the car to focus on the car. Focus on composition, but don't move that joystick too much, because then I'll see
I'm just trying to keep him in the middle because we're on a turn and your shit, it doesn't automatically turn.
It's not supposed to.
No, but what I'm saying, it doesn't follow him, so I have to constantly just try and keep him in the middle, that's all.
Which is fine. What I'm saying is, if I need to adjust it to make it less sensitive, then let me know. Because oh my, that shot is fire right there. Because I can't do anything with, but then now the sun just blew out the shot. This is the worst ramp I've been on in my life.
The Supra is trying to get the camera footage too. Ah, this thing is a dick. This thing is a dick.
Come up, go next to the Supra, go next to the Supra. There you go, hold. Come up then. Come up to the left. Stay in that lane, stay in that lane. There you
Woo! Commercial grade, baby.
go. Alright, you're gonna do a lane switch with me. And 3, you're gonna go in my lane, I'm gonna go in your lane. 3, 2, 1, switch. Hold on, let's do that again. Tilt up, there you go. Alright, go ahead. 3, 2, 1, hard pull. And then go in your left lane. Go over left, go over left, go over left. Nice. 1, switch. Better, a lot better. All right, come over, jump over, jump over. 3, 2, 1, switch. Not too bad, but the road is a little, I definitely want to get co-op in the background, so you're going to be in right lane when we get up to co-op. But let's do another switch. We got the boys up ahead too, so I'm not doing nothing crazy. Jump in the far right. So we gotta sit and hold in this pocket. All right. Hard accelerate past me. Go in, go in, go in. Going to far, past this white car and going far right. Far right, fourth lane, go ahead. Nice. All right, pull with me. We're gonna pull, go.
I'm telling you, niggas can't fuck with me. I'm telling you, bro.
I'll review the few.
Yeah, you can review whatever you gotta review. I'm telling you right now, niggas can't fuck with me.
Nowadays.
I'm telling you, bro. I do this shit, bro. And I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you how I do this shit, bro.
All right, so the first episode has successfully been shot. Today was dope. It was a long day. Don't get me wrong. We started around 11 and it's now 4:28. So a little longer than expected, but I think it was a very successful shoot. We got some nice rollers and stuff. My boy Kaz held it down. It's always an amazing feeling when you have a good shoot, no mishaps, no pullovers, no tickets, no crashes, you know what I'm saying? So everybody get home safely. I appreciate y'all. Yo, get home safe, bro. So I appreciate all of y'all for sticking around for the video. Rolling through the US. Episode 2 will be the feature of this car. Episode 1 you just watched was the behind the scenes. So I appreciate all of y'all. Till next time.